Hey travel friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug we are visiting a unique and nostalgic Massachusetts candy bar and its factory and store. So if this is your first time hanging with us, we're a travel family who likes to seek out unique restaurants and treats on our road trip adventures. Today we're heading to Sudbury, Massachusetts, about 45 minutes outside of Boston, to our new favorite Massachusetts sweet, Skybar. Now that says a lot because Massachusetts is home to the very first Dunkin' Donuts, it's where Toll House cookies were invented, and then there's this unique gem. This is Mrs. Meckler's Sugar Shack. It's a tiny shack hidden in the woods in South Shore up a dirt path road. Miss Meckler sells her chocolates and other local candies. It's open 24/7 and it's completely on the honor system. But our hearts and stomachs belong to Skybar and Skybar's owner, Louise Mawhinney. We just love this woman's passion and how she came to own this iconic candy bar. Necco Candy Company used to be the maker of Necco wafers, Sweethearts, Skybar, and others. And in 2018, they went out of business and could not find a buyer. Louise, a longtime lover of Skybar, was heartbroken to see her favorite candy bar disappear. Now, she never was a food manufacturer before, but had put in a bid just for the rights of Skybar. And to her surprise, it was accepted, and she set up shop and learned how to be a candy maker. Side note, eventually Spangler Candies, home of the Dum Dum Suckers in Bryan, Ohio, acquired Necco wafers and Sweethearts. Mawhinney faced her challenge and brought Skybar back to life. Skybar is a classic chocolate bar with 4 distinct flavor fillings: caramel, vanilla, peanut, and fudge. This unique candy bar has a devoted cult following, especially in the New England states. And here at the Skybar store, you can watch this candy bar being produced through the large windows. It's also a quirky little candy shop that serves all kinds of unique treats, along with Skybar and their oopsies. These are candy bars that still taste great, but are just not quite perfect for packaging. We made our purchases and then headed back to our hotel to dig in. So the woman who bought Skybar said they used to sell these to people saying, if you like boxes of chocolate, you'll love Skybar because it is a box of chocolates in one candy bar because there's different kinds of fillings. All right, go ahead.
We're at the same side.
It's the caramel.
Yeah, is it good?
Me too.
This is really fun. It's really like 4 candy bars in one. It's so fun.
If you were at a gas station checking out and there was a Snickers and a Skybar, which one would you choose?
Skybar.
Really?
Oh yeah.
So this family has a new favorite candy bar and a newfound inspiration in Louise. Skybar for a brief moment was lost, but a woman with no candy making knowledge, just passion, resurrected it. Way to be brave and follow your heart.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.